Srimati Radhika's the transformation of Krishna's love. She is his internal energy called Radharani. That Radharani energy gives Krishna's pleasure and nourishes his devotees.
Hare Krishna everyone, today is Radharani's birthday. I'm going to make Radharani's favorite food and please watch my video. Hare Krishna. Now we're going to make the Radharani Sabji. So first we add 2 tablespoons of oil. Now we're going to add cumin seeds. Half teaspoon of hing. Half teaspoon of haldi.
Now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of ginger chili paste.
Now we're going to add half cup of tomato puree. Now I'm going to mix it. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 spoon of coriander powder. 1 spoon of paprika. Gravy is cooked. Then I'm going to add Arbi. Now dough.
Wow, this looks nice. Radharani will be pleased.
Yes. Added fresh coriander. Our Arbi is ready to offer Radharani. Our food is ready to offer Radharani. We put tulsi. Now we will chant 3 times. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.
How's the prasadam, Rasheshwari?
So delicious and so yummy.
Is it? Wow.
I really like Radharani's food. I didn't know it was so tasty.
Wow.
It's so yummy. I like it.
Like it. Thank you.